Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a Facebook business page. First go into your Facebook account and click on pages. Now click on create new page. After that give a name to your page. After that click on category and select which category represents your business. In the bio section give a good bio. Try to be descriptive. Now click on create page. After that give your website link here, but if you don't have, keep it blank. Now give your phone number. Now give your email address. It is preferable to give your business email, but if you don't have a business email, you can give your personal email too. Now give your address, city, town and zip code. Now click on always open and hit next. Now give your profile picture here. Try to give a high quality profile picture. I'll show you how to make a logo in my next videos. Now add a cover photo. Okay, now click on add action button. Now click on send messages and hit next. Save. Okay, now hit next. You can add your WhatsApp number here, but for now I will skip it. You can invite friends from here. Invite which friends you want to invite. Click on their names and then click on send invites. Okay, invite is sent. Now click next. Keep it on, then click done. Our page will be created shortly. Okay, our page is being created. Looks good. Let's go into settings. Here you have to select a username, click on edit and give your page name here. See if it takes, but sometimes it doesn't work. As you see, I will add some initials to make it a unique. Okay, it is taken. Now click on save changes. Okay, our username is set. Let's go into privacy section. Everything is looking good here. Make sure it is all public. Let's go to Facebook page information. In here you can edit your page information. Go to pages and tagging. Who can post on your page? Now make it only me. You don't want any other else person to post on your page. Looks good. Go to public posts. Everything is looking good here. Everything is set to public. Looks good. Go to reaction preferences. Okay, it is looking good. Okay, let's head back. Go to your profile. Okay, looks good. Okay, we'll make our first welcome post. Click on it. Write a post. I'll write will come to our store. Okay, I'll click image. I have a downloaded image. Click open. Looks good. Okay, now we will post it. Okay, it is posted. Let's refresh. Here you can see the post has been made. So in my next upcoming videos, I will show you how to boost a post and get customers to your page. But for now, this is okay. Thank you guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos.